Hey, if I act like a bitch, just laugh. Because I might get scared. It's 600 horses. Woo! Little CTSV thing. Not little. I felt that tire started spinning.
With track control on. Bro, that feels hella good.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
That shit hella steady on the ground, huh? Yeah. That shit started squatting.
Yeah, like faster gun, nigga, and feeling in your stomach, nigga, and start knotting up, nigga.
I think that's a cop.
I don't think so. I was trying to lean forward. That shit hella clean.
It's like this much love.
They just lowered it, so that little test drive was to get it to seat.
Go sit in it. Go sit in it. Or you can take your picture first.
That shit hella clean. When you come home from LA, find out your head gasket is blown. Damn, son. Where'd you find this? That boy Mike finna pour some in for me.
Oh, shit.
Start bubbling and shit. That shit was real talk empty, man. They told me down at Red Zone, they're like, I smell like gas. I think you got a slight blown head gasket, buddy. It wasn't that empty, though. It's already full. But there's none in the reservoir. Oh, there's some. A little tiny baby bit. Probably just pulled it in.
Yeah, pour a little in there. Yeah.
Guess it wasn't getting hot or nothing, so. Oh, it's cool. You filling them up. Like, it's gonna leak out anyway, huh? That shit was dusty dry in there. The tube. Ooh. Alright, cool. I only need this shit to stay alive for a couple more weeks anyway.
A couple more hours.
Shit, damn near. Till Wednesday. Alright. Hopefully that's all that is. The biggest bitch I know.
Biggest bitch and the biggest nigga that'll knock your teeth out and take your bitch, nigga. Sheesh. Oh, wait a second. See, Punky? One.
Oh.
Nigga.
I'm gonna go change real quick.
Yeah, change out them things.
Go to O'Reilly and then go to Doug. Something wrong.
I think my hand's swollen right here.
Mine is too for a couple straight off.
Hell
Put jacking off.
So, I'm back. Me and Mike just been kicking it. As you saw, his homie did a little polish job on my hood because my neighbors fucked my shit up. There's a bunch of pollen and grass from cutting the grass. And got a couple of scratches and shit, but I guess it is what it is. But anyway, we out here kicking it. Me, him, and the boy Fabbs. Hey, say something, bitch.
Fuck you.
Yeah, LA was dope, but now we back on that car shit. So me and Mike went and got this oil pan gasket earlier, but as you can see, that shit is bent up. To be honest, at the time, I wasn't really thinking. They were trying to give me a different one, and I told them I needed this one because it has this metal gate and this metal wire in it, and this metal, like, reinforcements around the hole. And I didn't even think about the fact that this shit is bent as fuck. I was just like, oh, well, maybe the oil pan is like that? I don't know. I've seen an oil pan plenty of times. I don't know what I was thinking, but this shit is obviously bent in the back. So tomorrow I'll be taking this back and get a fresh one, because it's bent right where the head is of that shit. I go to fresh, non-fucked up oil pan gasket, and I'll be dropping the head off down at Red Zone for guys to start doing that shit. And by the end of this week, I should be getting the motor back. What you think about that, bruh? Just ignore him. But anyway, I'm pretty excited. We're there. I mean, this is it. We're in the home stretch. There's probably gonna be a couple more videos before it's really going, but this is it though. Hope y'all fucking ready.
Motherfucker. Not pretty.
Yeah. So it's pretty windy. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to hear, but this boy Michael helped me get this head in the back of the car. We're about to go drop it off at Red Zone. That's all my pieces all bagged up because I'm nice and I like to make shit fucking organized. Except for my head is dirty as fuck from sitting out. But he's gonna clean it, so. Anyway, next step. Oh shit. Red Zone. Oh. Letting her warm up. What you talking about? Oh.
Nigga selling the wheels.
Letting it warm up. Then we gone. Down here at Red Zone, we made it. We're hanging out and talking for a little while. Saw a couple cool cars like always, but anyway, my block is ready. That's it all. Machine bored out, cleaned up. He said he's about to start assembling it tomorrow. Should be getting it back pretty soon. Next couple days. I'm gonna bring the head in, drop it off, and that's that. That's everything. Fucking shit is heavy.
Get them commas. Stretch already helped a nigga touch 100,000. What type of baller let his people live in public houses? You lost a soldier back to back and they do nothing about it. You took that hooker on a date, ain't get no money, got it. They say they love me, but I swear don't get no fucks about me. They say they love me, but I swear don't get no fucks about me.
So guys just hit me. The motor's fucking ready. We're about to go down to Red Zone right now and pick it up.
Handled the game, you would've thought that I developed it. Enveloped in the shit that I did the second I fell in it. I picked my ass up, the state of hatred I was jealous in. It didn't get me nowhere, I was just alone till I fell again. Acting like they made me, fade me, bitch, no I handled them. I vanished from the ashes and cigarillos. I'm packing them, passing them to your family. Sitting back and I laugh at them, they couldn't last with them. Tony rapping, it's only half of them. Look, this shit a journey, I'm still learning to not give in when I'm hurting. Power surging.
All the business is handled, shit's paid for. And motor's back to me. About to put it in the car. You ready?
Motherfucker tired.
We got the motor in the back. This shit was hard as fuck. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out, but that shit's in. We about to take it home. I love you guys. I love you, bro. Appreciate everything. Alright, y'all. I forgot my microphone in my car, so hopefully this doesn't sound too bad, but as you just saw, I got my motor back. I'm fucking juiced. I can't believe it came back so quick. Geith is fucking awesome. Man, huge shout out, huge love to Red Zone. They're the fucking best. Fucking got that shit back quick. It's all ready to go. And I can't wait to do the break-in period, bro. I'm so juiced. I can't wait to get this thing on the dyno. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm glad you're sticking with me through this whole thing. Fucking, I hope you're as excited as me. Man, I'm just ready to do this shit. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed everything. I hope you liked that little cinematic shot I tried to do. I should have filmed more. I didn't really get enough scenes, but I think it looked nice. But anyway, until next time, let's see if I can get this right. Sleep right. No. Eat right. What the fuck did I say? live right, eat right, sleep tight, and get faster. Because that's what we doing out here, baby. That's what we doing out here. I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, I be shooting like a turret, tire scurry when I hit the gas, always in a hurry, hitting top speeds, vision become blurry, but I still see the picture, so don't ever be worried. I hit the brakes when the time is right, don't have hindsight, only moving up in this light. That's one direction, very narrow angle for sight, and I'm only one dude, but I get paid like 5 mics. From now on, the only moving is forward, and like I packed up a Honda, did it by my own accord. What's in store? Let me peek in the future. Hopefully we overboard, but we might have to shoot.